Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to see how much money you have sent someone on Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you're a shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link you can find in the video description. As you look toward the middle of your screen, you're going to see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there. I recommend this subscription because you can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, guys, which is a huge privilege. You try something and cancel at any moment, anytime. So take the advantage and try it out. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to see how much money you send someone on Cash App. We'll start by opening up Cash App. So once you open your Cash App, you're gonna get on this home screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where you're gonna see like a circle with a time clock. It's gonna look like a time, but it's gonna be a circle with two arrows, one pointing up and one pointing on the right. Tap on the little circle right there. Once you tap on that, it's gonna give you on this screen right here. Once you get on this screen right here, make sure that you read where they say completed and tap on somebody you have sent money before and tap on that and make sure that they say like payment to, and that's how you see how much money you have sent somebody on your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money, so I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.